our base. Of course, it's not finished.
Well, yeah, it's not really finished. We did pretty good.
So far, anyways.
And that board fell off. Let's put that plank back up. And all this wood that we found, we found it
ourselves.
Yeah, we got outside. We find all this type of stuff.
And let's show them how we break our sticks.
Okay. Let's travel to the break stick and iron thingy.
This is how this rock is for just really long sticks. We're like this. We just want to break them, not like any coordination or anything. We just hit and break. But if we want to break them in coordination, for an example, I want to break it right here. I aim and break.
That's pretty smart. Let's show them our secret base. Going through our secret pathway to it, which is not really secret because it's on YouTube now.
Yeah.
See, we made like a little...
But first, let's introduce ourselves. This is my video, and this is both of our... Wait, are you covering the mic? Okay, no. This is both of our... Let me help you.
No, the way that was is perfect.
This is both of our hideouts. And so, now it's your turn to do your video thing.
Okay, well, I have my own YouTube channel called Korgan Faye. And Korgan Faye is a really great YouTube channel. I make rap, songs, I make plushie videos. I've been doing it for a while now. And also, it would be in the description, not a link, so don't click it. It will be in the description for what my YouTube channel will be called. Well, it's called, okay, so.
Both of our hideouts.
Yeah, we already did
But
that.
this is my video. Wait, are you yeah, you're covering the camera. Right
Sorry.
here, camera's right here.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, this is my video. And this is our both of our secret hideouts. Right? This is our secret hideout. Our
Vault, that's our vault.
Yep. And right here. Ow!
Are you okay?
Yep. There. Now that's being a friend. And this is my first YouTube video, so it might be a little crappy at first. And then my next few other YouTube videos, when he teaches me how to do it, we'll get onto there. I'll be making videos all day, every day almost. Oh, I found a stick that we could use.
Yeah, okay, let's get back. I'm going through my stupid way that I... Wait, no, this is a new way. I'm Hulk, I have to break through all the sticks.
Break through. Break through. Don't wing them back at me.
I'm sorry. I broke through them. You should go the easy way. You okay?
It almost stabbed my coconuts.
You're two
Ow,
wonderful coconuts.
This is ow, our secret place. Hence, it's so painful. Ow. Ow. Stupid mosquitoes. Now let's put this board on. Measuring.
I just realized now this is like a vacation for me.
This way, dude.
I feel like a turd. I'm a turd nugget on a stick. No. Ow, that hurt. It felt like a butt cheek on a stick. It's from like a meme.
And now, my garden. This way. Wow, this is a pretty long. Yeah.
It's a dandelion.
Now for a little flower.
Well, not. It's just a dandelion. Wait, let's show them our old base that broke down.
Oh, yeah.
This is our old.
That would be a good idea.
This is our old
Look out
base.
for poop. My mom shovels poop in here for some reason.
This is our old base that looked like.
And we're thinking about grabbing these sticks.
But it broke all down, Yeah, we're thinking to grab all the sticks that we use for them.
We're definitely
That's
grabbing
almost
these.
all.
Dude, definitely grabbing these for the top roof.
Yeah, those are really good. What did you want to show? Oh, want to
Oh yeah, garden. These are mole holes. We covered them up with leaves and stuff. Oh yeah, let's show them our bridge.
Yeah, you can cross and I'll go the safe way.
Yeah. There's even little suspension things. See?
Yeah, he actually goes through that. So do I going back. And
It's not very sturdy though. Well, it is very sturdy.
okay, I'm going on my safer way. Okay, be careful. He survived. He didn't die. Holy crap. Oh, we have a little pathway.